welcome to this week's Monday Minutes. My name is Kelly.
And my name is Jessie, and this week we're bringing back an oldie but goodie for you to customize some fields in your Z3950 target. So if you're using the Z3950 server in your cataloging module, we're going to show you a little trick where you can customize which fields show in the result. And this is super helpful. You know, if there's things that you look for specifically in a record, you can add those in. So Kelly, let's show them how to do it.
This is fantastic. And as Jessie said, it's something we have shown before, but let's go with it and we'll show it on the new site, on the new Koha coming up. Okay, so we're going to start with the system preference. We'll go into our admin, look in that global system preferences. I'm going to just type in Z39 because it's going to be built off that Z39.50 server. And the system preference is here, additional fields in Z39.50 result search. So it's asking you to add one or multiple mark fields and subfields, and those are going to show up in columns. So it's going to be really fantastic. Jessie and I were discussing, and we think using the RDA, a couple of the RDA fields will really narrow down whether we're looking at a book, an ebook, an audiobook, the different the variety of different formats that these titles come in. So we're going to use the 336 subfield A, and it has a nice example at the bottom to tell you to do that and the $sign and then the subfield. And then I'm going to do 338 subfield A. And that's going to give us a good indication of what format this book is in. Go ahead and hit save. And now we're going to go do a little search.
Yeah, let's do a cataloging record.
Let's just pop into cataloging. Look at this. Woo! I love it. New from Z39.50 search. I saw the cutest book called Otter. I don't know if you've heard of it, Jessie. It's a kid's book.
Oh, no.
Let's do just maybe one more search, maybe 4 of these. Make this bigger for y'all. Okay.
Right.
It's a nice spelling of, here it is. This is, it's by Catherine Applegate. Christina Applegate. So now here is the additional fields column up here. And then you can see it's actually breaking down what it is without us having to pop into it. So this spoken word, obviously it's probably an audio format of some sort. This is text, but then it tells us it's an online resource. So look how wonderful this is. Let's hope we can find one in book format though.
I can't tell you how many times I come in here and I'm like clicking on each one to view to see if it is or not. So this is a big time saver.
Absolutely. So I'm going to go with the San Francisco Public Library because this says it's text and volume, which is going to show me that it is. We can pop over to the mark and just look. Yep, I've got some pages in there. Now, as Jessie said, you can absolutely do any other fields. One of our things that we like to know is the format before having to click into all those. But of course, if you're looking for an OCLC information or something else specifically, you can put as many fields as you want in that system preference. I'm gonna pop over to my 3s. This is perfect.
Yeah.
So, this is something that if libraries didn't know it existed, this is absolutely one of those time savers, super helpful for your workflow if you're using the Z39.50. So hopefully this helps.
All right. This is great.
Okay. Have a great week.
Have a great week. Bye.
Bye.